So we're on the street next to our shop. We have to come out and find a trailer that is holding a customer vehicle. We're gonna be taking it out, taking it to the shop, and we're gonna do some work on it.
Funny how the story goes, little hope but bigger dreams. They try to bring the sucker down, singing louder than the crowd.
You're fencing pretty nicely.
We're gonna replace the two front tires. It'll take us about 30 minutes.
From Bangladesh, you know, we pulled up to RDBLA, fan love, shout out to RDB. We actually brought my car, no Toyota gang.
Gang, gang.
Yeah, straight from Bangladesh.
We're dismantling this Bentley, stripping it so they can wrap it.
We got a BMW 430i here, convertible. A loyal return customer of many years. Unfortunately, got hit. The bumper has a hole in it and the quarter panel has a gash. So this vehicle needs a new bumper. It's gonna need an actual quarter panel replacement. So we'll have this thing back to its standards in no time.
Wanted to dance until my feet can feel the ground.
Alright, so we got the Bentley Bentayga behind me. We are currently wrapping this satin dark gray. It's a very, very popular color. Classy, aggressive. It goes really nice with this car because the interior is burgundy. So it's satin dark gray with burgundy and a lot of gloss black trims. It's gonna look fire. We're gonna lower this car too. We're gonna make it a little louder too for the customer. This is gonna look really good when it's done with the satin dark gray. So God, I hate tape. This is for the Mclaren MP4. It's a Vorsteiner rear bumper, carbon fiber. We're gonna be painting these sides. You see where they're gray, 1 and 2. Those are gonna be painted the body color. Carbon fiber will stay. It's also got a diffuser in the other box that we gotta open. So this Mclaren MP4, the rear bumper is off. We just took it off. We're upgrading it with the Vorsteiner rear bumper. It's gonna look way more aggressive when it's done. He opted not to do the front, but I also recommend doing the front Vorsteiner bumper as well to get that overall look. So we got the bumper, we're gonna paint it. This is a special 3-stage pearl white, so we're gonna have to paint it properly in order to match the quarter panels. Once we get the bumper prepped, we'll take the car in the back, we'll start paint matching the color, making sure it's good.
are you doing out here?
Just visiting RDB in LA.
Oh no, I am not in love, I am not in love, no.
Here we are nearly finished with the Bentayga. The satin dark gray looks really good so far. All the chrome trims on the vehicle were also wrapped in satin dark gray. We didn't do black on the trims because, you know, I like to keep it a little bit more uniform on the sides, make it look bigger, make it look like it has like a body kit installed. So we're doing everything gray on the bottom, the diffuser, all that stuff. Gloss black on the window trims, the front grille, the wheels. So kind of minimal on the gloss black. We're doing all the chrome trims on the side, satin dark gray. This side is done. We're gonna do the other side now, and we're almost done with this car.
Whether you like it or not, there is a moment meant for us. And now you made it, but I already played this. Not interested, open your eyes, let's get it done. Take my hand, just follow me. Shadow and me are one. Oh, oh, the sky is on fire. The lake has turned to a golden sun.
Currently we're in progress wrapping the Bentayga. This is the grill housing. We just finished wrapping it. Currently the chrome grills are off to our paint department, being painted in gloss black. This is the carbon fiber rear diffuser portion that we are going to be installing on the Mclaren MP4. So it's got a big diffuser, full carbon. This is going to go on the bottom of the vehicle. The rear end is going to be looking way better when it's done with this bumper.
The shadow and me are one. Oh, oh, the sky is on fire. The lake has turned to a golden sun. Oh, oh, I'll never get tired. I just wanna dance.
We have a Maserati here. It came in this morning. 2 front tires we're gonna replace. We have the tires here, so it's gonna be a pretty quick repair. Car will be ready in about an hour altogether. And this is what the tire looks like. Actually, the wires are coming out, so took it too far, I think.
You're from where?
Sydney.
Oh, nice.
Yeah,
Sydney.
I watch the videos all the time, bro.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Cool.
Someone's coming like
Yeah.
our entire trip.
We got here on Saturday, man, so it's good to be down here.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
How you liking it so far?
Love it, bro.
Yeah?
Love it.
Cool.
Very nice around here. It's so different.
This in Sydney, man, I'll tell you that.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You guys don't get orange?
No way.
Don't get them at all, yeah.
We don't even see them around, bro.
No? How about the no door?
Don't see that, I'll tell you that.
No?
Got a lot of cars out today. Great Monday.
So where are you guys from?
We're from Ukraine.
Yeah.
Let's go. Holy fuck. So we're on scene with the Mclaren MP4. Hopefully you guys can hear me because it's pretty loud. We just installed a Vorsteiner rear bumper on this MP4. Comes fully carbon fiber, so we painted the end pieces to match the vehicle. It's a very special 3-stage pearl white. The rest of it was carbon fiber. We shot some clear coat over that. So the paint and the clear coat, you don't feel the difference. It's all one layer. Fuck. There's no point, first or second. There's no fucking point. Good night. nice to see the rearview mirror with the fucking camera not. Oh. Oh my god.
It smells so bad.
Oh. Oh my god, how could you live here?
They're the worst smell.
I think it looks really good. It's an MP4, it's updated, and that's it. So on to the next one. So this is the Bentayga. This is the one we just wrapped satin dark gray with the burgundy interior. We did the custom exhaust, blacked out all the trims. This thing looks amazing. We lowered it as well. We're waiting for some spacers to push out the wheels so it has a better stance. Anytime you lower a car, the wheels camber in. This one already comes with a really bad camber, so we're gonna make it look better with that. But for now, we got the sound, we got the looks. We're gonna take it out for a spin and video it. That's a pretty cool rumble, this car. Well, after we did the exhaust.
Silent.
What was this thing?
What's up? How you guys doing? Some stickers. Probably gonna buy a license plate. Not my car. Thanks, man. Thanks for the support. Yeah. All right, you guys are really cool. Thanks.
Where you guys from?
From San Bernardino.
Oh, nice.